So, hello friends, we are back again with the introduction part of the capital market. So, today we are going to discuss regarding stock exchange. Stock exchange is a place where capital is generated, means it provides a platform for buying and selling of securities, means it is a epicenter. It is a epicenter how the investor want to invest money and get the productive returns. So the stock exchange is the epicenter for the investor and the companies. It is in between the investor and the companies. Companies want to create capital, they want to create wealth, and the investors want to invest money and get the productive returns. So investor invest in the companies through the stock exchange. That is why we can say stock exchange is the epicenter. So today we are having the table here which shows how stock exchange works. So in this table we have here stock exchange, and here depositories are there. In India there are two depositories. One is NSDL, National Security Depository Limited, and other one is CDSL, Central Depository Securities Limited. These two are the depositories which work for the stock exchanges. These are means depository participants are also there, like India Bulls is there, Karvi, Sher Khan. There are a lot of these depository participants. So investor, where he goes to any of the DPs like India Bulls. He visited the India Bulls depository participant and open a demat account for the dealing of the securities. Investor, with the help of depository participant through these two depositories NSDL and CDSL, link with stock exchange. And who is above the stock exchange means who want investment, that is company. Company wants to create capital, and through stock exchange they and depositories and depository participant, they deal with the investor. Basically these two are there. Company is the one who want capital, and investor is the one who want to maximize the investment part, and through this channel they maximize their wealth. So this is how the stock exchanges work in India. So today we will come to know regarding only two stock exchanges. There are others also, like BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. Other one is NSE, that is National Stock Exchange. As far as BSE is concerned, sensitivity index of BSE is Sensex, and sensitivity index for NSE is Nifty. We can say Nifty 50. Bombay Stock Exchange, like index is there in our notebook. We have index now. It shows how many chapters are there, on which page number the chapter is there. In the similar manner, we have index, means how many companies are listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange. Means Sensex is the total of cream 30 companies share price total. Means the total of share price of 30 companies. In Sensex we have 30 companies, cream 30 companies, total value of share price. And in Nifty 50 means we have cream 50 companies share price total, and the fluctuation means the total of share prices of those cream companies which are listed in National Stock Exchange. Means maybe the price of one security rises too much, other securities fall too much. It is the aggregate sum, overall sum of the total of the 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange. So in Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, these are the basically main two stock exchange. There are in India only recognized stock exchange can operate. Earlier there were only 26 stock exchanges in India. There were 26 stock exchanges were India, but now the main stock exchanges are only 22. The 4 stock exchanges are de-recognized. These 4 are de-recognized. What are these? Sorsha, Hyderabad Stock Exchange, Magad and Mangalore Stock Exchange. These are those 4 stock exchanges which are de-recognized now, and there are only now 22 stock exchanges which are recognized as per Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, so today we will gonna to wind up this session. I hope you will like this video. You will like and subscribe my channel.